Hey guys, it's Chris. Thanks for tuning in to another Motorcycle Money Flip. Now, normally we're talking about how to make money on motorcycles flipping them, but in the process of flipping them, you got to be able to tune them up, things like that. That way you get the full bang for your buck. One thing you can do on your own that's pretty easy and that you should be doing on your own is spark plugs. You buy the spark plugs pre-gap, buy the exact spark plug that comes out of the bike or that's recommended for the bike, so that way you can match it up. And then whenever you're putting them in, be sure to match it up. But I'm going to go through the steps today of how to change spark plugs. It's really very simple and easy. But like I always say, you can mess up anything if you don't know what you're doing. So let's go through a simple thing on metrics and other outside of, I guess, really outside of Harley. You get to have a special spark plug wrench, but I'll show that in another video. Today we're talking about more like the Harley Davidsons, things like that are easy access. Some of the Triumphs and things like that are also easy access. But so what we're looking at here today is my Softail, Harley Davidson Softail. We're gonna put in some Champion plugs. I like the Champion plugs. They burn hot. This is an older 94 model Harley Davidson Softail. And so, like I said, that was what was recommended in it then, so that's what we're going to put it in it now. Spark plug socket and 2 replacement spark plugs. I went with Champion on this because that's what was recommended. Other brands may be recommended as NGK and other things for other bikes. As you can tell on this bike, it's pretty easy access. So what we'll do is we'll get right in there. I've already removed this boot for easiness. Get in with your spark plug wrench, counterclockwise. Get it loose. I'm gonna tell you can do it by hand after that. You always want to inspect. As you can tell, this one looks pretty bad. Maybe hard to tell by looking at it on its own, but look in comparison to a brand new one. You'll see a brand new one, and the old one look quite much different. That one is definitely burnt out. So this is a great first thing to check on this bike. Much like any bikes that you pick up that are used, you definitely want to go through all the proper maintenance just to make sure that the simple things, like in this case, the spark plugs needed to be replaced. On another video, we'll look at the oil and other things like that, but this video is just on the spark plugs. So once you get that tightened in there, get your spark plug wrench back out. A couple tightens. Hand tighten it, you don't want to strip it out. Make sure it clicks, feels good. And then we'll move over here to the next one. Give it a little tug. And compare against the new one, definitely looks like it's time for a replacement. So just like before, get the new plug, reinsert. Make sure to put it in by hand. Make sure you get those threads right so you don't cross thread or strip the threads, because that would be no bueno. Alright. Get the wrench on it. Like I said, don't strip it out. A couple good snugs, make sure it's snug. Re-put on your boot. Until it clicks, make sure it clicks good. And there you have it. That is how you replace the spark plugs on a Harley Davidson Softail. Thanks for checking this video. So for a quick recap, when looking at spark plugs, make sure they don't call foul and black. They do, definitely get them replaced. And do it yourself. I've seen some shops charge as much as $75 to do what I showed you how to do today. And you're able to do it very quickly, inexpensively, without any special tools. Hey guys, it's Chris. I hope you enjoyed watching my video and seeing more money for motorcycles. Be sure to subscribe below and see more videos like this.